good, React Squad? It's your girl Nia.
And your boy Dig.
And we back with another
banger.
So before we get into this video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we keep dropping these bangers. So today we're going to be reacting to acting Ratchet prank on the kids. So we're going to get right into this. You got anything you need to say?
See, we got Jay in the background. Cardi, Jay's sister. This Jay mom and them.
So let's get into this, y'all.
That's Jay daddy.
Eat something like when I was a baby. You sucked it. I need y'all to give me a red cold drink and some annihilators.
And some annihilators.
It's the MJFamily.
And it's back in there.
And it's back here big.
She messed that all up, y'all.
Cause I was looking at the video.
What's up, MK Live? This is Mama Mika.
And this is Turtle. We finna hit the kids with...
What's his name?
Turtle.
Turner.
This is Mama Mika.
And this is Turtle. We finna hit the kids with a
Turtle.
Get Ratchet prank on the kids. So
Ratchet prank on Myra, Cam, Jay, all of them. They not expecting this, so it's about to get lit,
I already know how it goes
I got the
down.
makeup, you know, the earrings, and my braids. I already did it. I look like Shanae, little sister.
You already know we banging.
Right, so y'all stay tuned. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever they be telling y'all to do. Do it, okay? Okay, y'all, so we're about to pick them up from the park, right? It's about to be lit, y'all. It's about to be lit.
We about to get off into this prank.
All
It's
right.
gonna be epic. Y'all know we coming with them bangers. Here we go.
Keep your guns at home, bruh.
The parents do it better, by the way.
The Ratchet children finna be picked up by the Ratchet parents. That's right, y'all. Y'all come right.
He called him the cheering.
Cheering. Sound like somebody's grandma.
Like
with
we
us.
say, get rich. We rich. We all got some.
Look, on his shirt, it's a trap.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's
Hustle
like
gang.
a mouse trap, but it's a money trap.
Yeah. Hustle gang.
Ratchet in us. Oh, yeah. I mean,
Cardi, took y'all long enough, y'all.
what's up, y'all got the lows?
Man, y'all just hop in the bucket, man. Let's ride, man.
Y'all
Let's
had
drive,
fun.
man.
Y'all had fun. I'm good. Come on. Where I go?
Your mama, man.
Don't play my mama little boy out.
Hey. Who he playing with?
Yeah, they have bank them in there.
Don't play with my
How
boy.
is he alive?
I'm saying,
You
what?
know how to do makeup?
Oh.
I thought it was beat by me.
It is. I'm waiting till the go.
He said, I thought it was beat by Mika. Not Mika got beat.
Man.
I'm waiting till the guys. Anyway.
Dropping like this. Why y'all dropping like this? What you doing?
Why y'all asking all them questions?
Cause y'all doing you know you don't talk like that.
I talk like that.
They would have got right out the car.
Right.
Right back out.
We gonna start this over again.
No, you don't.
She sound like one of them Atlanta bitches. I talk like that. I talk like that.
He said she talked like one of them Atlanta, but
She sound like one of them Atlanta bitches. I talk like that. I talk
He
like
was
that.
about to
So you
cut.
playing with me?
Say,
So you
son.
playing with me?
Y'all stop playing with my girl in here, you heard me?
For real.
yo, shit, y'all stop playing my girl like that. You hear me?
That is not Ratchet. That's not Ratchet.
That's just super country.
Y'all just sit back and ride.
Who said
Sit the
you?
hell back and ride.
Jay, what's wrong? Just step down.
Say LeBron, don't play with my
I woke
man.
up on the wrong side of the bed today.
Exactly.
So you kind of swerving them, boy. Y'all tripping bad. What y'all doing?
Man,
Swerve on the man. That's how we
Swerve on the bank.
Swerve on
Swerve on the bank.
Hey. Hey.
Chill out. What you to do?
This my female right here. He got me. You know what I'm saying?
You see his face.
Yeah.
My mama tripping.
Oh
I
my
can't lose you.
gosh.
Right?
Get how you live. What about y'all? Y'all gotta get it how y'all live. You heard me?
Wait,
They
hold
don't
on.
know nothing about
Yeah.
that. That's the new school. They don't know nothing about
No, they don't know nothing about
that.
that.
Boy, I'm getting how I live, boy. What y'all?
You still got Similac on your breath.
Ooh!
Similac.
I didn't even eat Similac when I was a baby.
Yeah, you did. You sucked it.
Wait a minute.
Yo, toot that
Jay.
thing up.
You stupid. You stupid.
Look at his face. Priceless.
He said I didn't even eat it.
But anyway,
Man, look at that cup there. They thugging. They thugging, boy.
that's what I'm
Hey,
talking
slow
about.
down, man.
Thug
They ain't thugging harder than us,
Tripping,
girl.
son.
Thug life, wild thing.
Bro, they ride with a seatbelt.
What's going on with the man? Man, Jay, they moved to Houston. They don't know how to act. You know
Jakari don't know what to say out his mouth.
He done pulled that card. Oh, they rocking bandanas now. They wasn't doing that back home though.
Boy.
Hurry.
Right back. Oh, they
Hurry.
pulled over. They just
Hurry.
pulled over,
They
y'all.
pull it over.
Hurry.
Look, I bet you
Oh,
don't
they got the
We ain't
police.
scared of no police.
They got the police.
We
We
ain't
got
scared
the
of no
police.
police out here.
So they coming. Yeah, you got shook then, huh?
He tried to pull his gun. He did look like he grabbed it. Like he grabbed the armrest right quick. Like, oh boy.
About to grab that seatbelt.
Because we ain't scared of no police. What they say?
The police.
Okay.
Did they just do the pivoty popcorn player?
Man, look at y'all handshake.
I
Y'all
don't know
there.
what's going on with this.
That's the twinkle fingers.
Your spirit fingers.
The twinkle fingers.
See, they called it that on regular air. We had cable. High School Musical called it the spirit fingers.
High School Musical.
Yeah.
You got no OG points after that, buddy.
What you mean?
No OG points.
Bro, I got a little sister and a little brother.
Oh,
It be turned like this.
Really quick like that.
Hey, turn the band and say words when he in the car anyway.
Right. That's all right. I say enough fun.
She say enough for me, you heard me? I got the back, she got the front.
hey.
Yeah, okay. I like that. I like that.
He got that Beijing on his hairline, but we gonna let him slide.
Already.
Man, what talk you got on a green bandana and teardrops? When you ever got a tattoo like that?
Somebody come and look at this.
Look at this.
I'm slam like this. I go down with it, you heard me?
He got it now.
I'm got it
He
now.
got it
Slam
now.
life, you heard me?
He got it now.
Who hit it kill?
He got it now.
Who hit it kill? Oh, okay.
Nigga.
Look at Jay's face. That nigga ain't killed nothing.
As of when?
That is crazy.
30 minutes ago.
Roaches don't count.
Boy.
Don't worry about that. Shanae could
The
down.
uglier version, yeah.
Oh.
You look just like me.
It don't make
I don't call my mama that. They wrong
Hey,
with you.
hey, hey. Hey, cut that off.
If she should name
And if you Shanae, you baby Shanae. That's what he about to say. Look, yeah.
Hey, cut that off.
If she should name you baby should name baby.
Look at Jay.
She like, I don't even bang with this nigga for you to be cracking jokes. I'm gonna tell my daddy.
Look.
Ma, I ain't see you in no big old hoop.
Jay jealous.
Uh-huh.
It's official.
That is crazy.
He a mama's boy.
Big time.
That's all right. That's
Y'all don't know nothing about the 90s. That's that new generation. Y'all technology generation.
Wait, hold on.
We was
And then you
stuck
talking
in the
about-
90s.
Y'all wanna know what I heard about the hoops?
The
bigger
big
the hoop.
The bigger the hoe.
Oh my gosh.
Jay tried to say it to try to like demean her, you know what I'm saying? But look how she carried it though.
Look at his face. And look at her doing it. She like, mama just called herself a hoe.
Hey, mama.
Jay, your mama died.
Jakari about to get beat up.
Oh, what did he say?
He said, Jay, your mother thought.
Mama died.
I might be.
Look at the boyfriend face though.
Oh my God.
That's the real price.
We're gonna have a talk after this one. A real long serious one.
I'm like,
You took it too far.
I'm just playing.
Look at his face though.
Yeah,
He was like this.
You better be.
Hey, y'all tripping bad though. Y'all need to chill that out. I ain't with all that, mama.
Y'all ain't like that.
Mama, when you ever, mama, you went to Episcopal.
And people train.
And I went to Capitol, so she
People
been
try-
around me now.
Exactly.
So guess what? I rubbed off on her.
I went to California.
I went to Capitol.
And you know I'm from the hood.
I went to
And
Capitol.
you know I'm from the hood.
Well, you hood.
And
You hood.
Exactly.
I went to Capitol and you hood. Anybody that went
I'm so hood.
I wear my pants below my waist.
He waited a little too long.
I don't know the
y'all.
rest, y'all. Oh, sorry. Niggas don't listen to no T-Pain.
That wasn't T-Pain. I think that was Ace Hood.
T-Pain sings the I'm So Hood part.
Capitol
I never
hood.
seen this.
And who listens to Ace Hood? I'll wait. Thank you.
Your mama.
You know how old that song is for you to even be saying that?
Hey, say y'all need to chill out real talk. Y'all.
Jay, your mama said 2 million fireballs.
Hey.
Jakari said, Jay, your mama had too many of them fireballs.
And he would have been on the wall right after the prank.
Y'all know fireballs is candy.
Hey, what happened to
me see.
MC?
Need to chill out real talk. Y'all.
Jay, your mama said 2 million fireballs.
Hey, what happened to MK like about that life? Y'all ain't about that life today?
We about that life.
All right then.
We not about that child.
Ain't nobody clowning
Y'all
this
look
me.
like some fool.
Hey, mama, I ain't gonna cap. She right, but you got this
I
big
did too
game.
much.
And you got a
I was trying to
This how we do.
You got a mole, mama.
I was trying to get a mole like my son.
Oh no.
No?
Uh-uh.
Look, it do look like it.
Nuh-uh.
Look like
No, mama.
Why did you talk like this? Then she got a makeup.
It looks like
It's actually called the beauty mark, in case y'all didn't know.
right.
It's not a mole, it's a
Say,
beauty
hold
mark.
on. Say, y'all tripping way too much. I swear to God.
Hey, just cool. Just be cool. Just be cool.
In the neighborhood.
Yeah,
Who
just
that
chill
is?
out. Just chill out.
Oh, that's Muscle Man. Charity, you better watch out.
You better watch out, but he's still my mama, fool.
Oh! I would have beat your butt.
Right.
Right off the
Yo
rip.
said, boy, still my mama. Like she a true die.
Cause I got heat for little niggas like that, you heard?
Scrap.
Look at Jay. Oh, is he about it for real?
He got heat for little niggas like that. I wonder what temperature is his heat.
If y'all don't get y'all, I got heat for little niggas like that. Look at him.
Yeah,
Boy,
yeah,
you got it like that.
Jay a hater.
Where mama got cut? Turtle ain't cut like that. Zach ain't cut like
Hey, when we
Yo, they pulling this card.
They exposed him, bro. Any gangster that they thought
Wait a
he
minute.
was, they don't know more. That is crazy. Turtle ain't cut like that.
They pulling your card, buddy. They would have straight been punished. Like, it's no way.
That's my mama. Don't be playing with my man.
I've been cut like that. Why you think your mama chose
the
me?
snow y'all
'Cause
in
she
the
know
house.
I've been living like that.
What? We need to make a U-turn to the house.
Hey, listen.
We coming to the house.
fool.
We coming to the house. Y'all
But listen, we about to pull up at the store. We about to pull up at the store. Hey, when we pull up at the store, Jay, I'm not getting out because I don't feel like walking.
Mama, oh no.
And that's what I made churn for. So, shut up and listen. Shut up and listen.
You ain't make churn.
Shut up and listen. I need y'all to give me a red cold drink and some annihilator.
What we is at the house? You talking about red coat?
A red cold drink and annihilator.
Driving like
when I go to the store,
Cause you gotta whip it. You gotta whip that thing.
He should have put the seat all the way back like this.
Yeah.
And then be sitting up driving. That's how gangsters drive.
See what I'm saying? Y'all don't know nothing about whipping that thing like that.
You need to go to the store.
No.
You need to get a
I need,
Tylenol.
y'all know what I need to do? Y'all need to take me back to Mac House. I ain't with all this,
Take
man.
us too.
Mama, you came to Texas acting way different.
It's all right.
Different. We
Yeah.
can take our bath. She been
Y'all got y'all panties in a bunch today. I thought y'all would like this.
What you did
You
to
got
me?
your
the
makeup
new
in a bunch.
Yo, Jay asked him, what you do to my mama?
Right. Like you about to do something.
Man, that's how she live. She
Yeah.
been living like that. You know what I'm saying? Wow.
That nigga got stuck in this mouth.
Boy, I got 32 at the bottom, man.
Yo, I knew they was fake. But after they said that he wasn't about that life, I'm like, let me find out he got fake fronts in his mouth.
That is crazy.
Yo, they pulling this
Crazy.
man card.
What?
Wait, I thought it was
Your
32 in your
stepdad got
full
them
mouth.
24.
I'm talking about 32 diamonds. What you talking about? See what I'm saying?
Boy.
You know what I'm saying? Bling, bling.
I'm
You know what I'm
surprised
I
your
saying?
knew it was aluminum foil.
Ass money back in the day, man.
Babe, he got them aluminums.
That's crazy. I got golds. Let them with them ghost slugs.
Don't be
Ghost
singing my
slugs.
song.
You heard me? Look at that.
Yeah.
Tan it up. You know what I'm saying?
You was in the back. The back. I see why you was in the back. The back.
Back up, my nigga.
Y'all gonna back up off my nigga.
They say, I don't
Yo, she said back up off my Inger word.
care what it is. Y'all ain't gonna talk to my mama like that. Y'all
She
need to
need to
chill.
Hold on. You need to fix your makeup.
Hold on.
And I'm sliding about that. You heard me? I'm sliding with her.
What?
What you sliding?
Want some kids?
Oh, he gonna start dropping them.
He knocking out everybody.
I don't care.
I'm gonna give you the left and I'm gonna give you the right.
And Jay don't want no smoke, so he hopped on board with him.
What?
I'm talking about, but you gonna put some respect on it.
So,
No, we can't take you serious right now. The respect on it.
I ain't taking it serious.
Y'all better. Y'all need to.
Hey, say I'm about to call me an Uber real talk down to you.
Yeah, it's time to go, Jay. We gotta go home. It's time to go.
Hey, we need to go to the store because I need my red cold drink and my Nile.
But guess what? You ain't gonna get it today or not another day.
I'm
Because
finna
you
tell
need
your
to check
mama.
yourself.
Let me call my mama.
Nah, did you look in the mirror? Oh, she got a real bit.
Just stop playing.
Stop playing. Jay, your mama stop crying.
Yo!
did he say his mama look acting like that crackhead?
Yeah!
Yo, Jakari need to be
Jay,
swag.
your mama stop crying.
Oh, he said she was with that crackhead.
Talking about dirt.
Mama, I'm about to call. No, hey, what y'all doing? I'm gonna call my mama, man.
Getting that body.
Did they just kiss?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Son, we grown. We
Y'all both
grown.
look retarded. Man, they both belong in the zoo. In the zoo.
Well, y'all gonna be right along in the zoo with us.
No, we not.
Shut up.
Ma, you look like a monkey. And he just...
Yeah, mammy.
What?
Man,
And she is your mammy. So
I thought she said she
guess
wasn't
what?
getting out the car. Exactly. What she...
Let me call my mama. Y'all tripping bad, son. Y'all
Ooh,
tripping
Jalen
way
didn't
too
walk
bad.
your mama.
Bruh, Jay stay snitching. Every video, he snitching.
Doing... Man,
I bet you, boy. Don't play with my mama.
Don't play with Bay like that, you heard me? Don't play with Bay like that.
who y'all supposed to be? You
Cause I slide you.
Who said
Right.
I slide about that, you heard me?
It's sexy walk, you hear me? Don't play with Bay
Said
like
that's
that.
that sexy walk.
What you mean what I'm supposed to be?
supposed to be?
Hey,
I'm a menace to society. That's
All right.
when this nigga got cut like that, you heard me?
I'm being cut like that, man.
Cut like that.
Y'all better look me up. Go Google me. Y'all
We
gonna
gonna
He gonna say search not found.
What?
turn yourself.
Let's go come over.
Google, baby, you better ask somebody.
I don't know that song.
Are you serious? Then you ain't have cable.
What you mean?
A sea animal, nigga.
Ask your mama when she get back.
Oh!
He played your mama.
Yo, Jakari is like the best hype man,
Exactly.
sidekick, instigator. It's nothing that this kid can't do.
And at the age he at, he don't get in trouble for the things that he says.
And it's only gonna get worse from here.
Like that.
First of all, boy, that's not even my mama. I'm adopted.
Exactly.
You know.
Yeah.
I'm adopted.
Jakari said he might as well
Oh,
move
he
in.
did get adopted by Mac off though.
Right, he's sonning him.
Oh, she go.
Anyways,
Got cut like that, man.
anyways,
He put teardrops on his
I think they like this new us.
This new us, and ain't no new us.
ain't no
This,
new us.
this gotta change today.
Hey, you like the new us?
it
I
don't
like
I
the new
love
us.
the new us, man.
Wipe a nigga nose, flat, flat. Yeah.
You know what you just said, right?
Yeah.
That's an inside joke, yo.
You wanna do it?
No.
Yes.
Yo did the junkie, yeah.
I'm not even about to do it because I know you gonna be in here down laughing. Look, she did it like this. He went like this.
We out here. We been out here. You hear me?
Can't think about it. Can't think about it.
What is that in your hand?
Her.
I'm moving with my father, bro.
Her.
I can't be with y'all.
Why y'all driving like that?
Y'all need to go take a swim, a
Y'all
walk,
not driving.
a bike ride,
Swim.
a gym exercise, something.
Right. They
Something.
need to go back to sleep.
Y'all tripping bad, real
I don't know
talk.
what's going on.
Man, look that Ferrari, boy.
Ooh, big up for that car right there.
On the old school, they do that, man.
Big up for that car.
You know that car right there.
You got that rod in here, baby. We need to follow them.
Look, you heard him.
Yeah. You got that rod in here, baby. We need to follow them. Y'all going fishing.
You want to get him out of there?
Y'all tripping.
I got your
I
back.
ain't even like that. Y'all,
Hey, I got your back.
Follow them, baby.
hey, I know. Hey, say,
All we know
hey,
is
slow
y'all get
down,
off this
man.
truck, we taking this truck and we going to Mac house.
Hey.
Bruh.
I'm so thankful to have a tool like Class Dojo to
my
use during
gosh.
Hey,
Y'all don't even know how to drive, man.
I'm your ride or die. You want to stick him up and get that Ferrari?
Look at
That's
you.
2.0, you hear me?
Right.
Say, so
They're
y'all
like
tripping.
this. Come on.
Go ahead,
Turn
turn you gotta hit that man.
Right.
He gonna put 2 lawsuits on both of y'all.
He gonna pay both of y'all.
Bruh.
Oh, no, you really following this, man? Y'all
Oh, yeah, Jack moved.
Look. They scheme.
Yeah. Suckers.
What you
What?
Baby, you gotta go to the store, son, because you not red cold drink.
And your annihilator.
And my annihilator.
Oh, no, y'all
Go
got
ahead. Jesus. You
Come on.
turtle. Y'all
Mama, what's going on?
This the new me. Call me New.
new.
The fact that he really concerned, like,
Mama, you old. We can't call you new.
look at his face though.
I know.
He look like he want to cry.
No.
Sorry.
Because I rock the new. Baby, you passing up the stove.
Whip that thing back around. Give that few seconds.
Nigga, 1, 2. This
Jay,
Flip that thing back around. You ain't quick.
Whip. And they
This ain't no notice of
Oh my God.
We know what it
Yeah.
is, babe. We know what it is, babe.
You ain't from around here. We know what the store is. Just
Y'all not
like
from around here.
Y'all just moved here a
Just
week
chill.
ago and y'all know where
Hey.
everything is, huh?
Exactly.
we finna eject you from the car.
Y'all just gonna leave me right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gonna leave you here.
It's a long walk.
Didn't we tell you when you got in? It's called Get It How You Live. Didn't we tell you that?
Right.
I'm trying my hardest, but my mama look like she got it how she lives.
Okay.
I would have slapped her right in the face.
Right, because it's like, all right, they going too far. That.
Right in the face.
Big hand.
It's a prank. Like,
It's just a prank, y'all.
it's a prank. We just wanted to prank y'all and
She still got that ass.
Boy, it better be a prank. You better not be acting like that. You can't
You know what I'm saying?
claim that's my mom acting like that.
y'all like my
Boy, who is you?
Nobody.
mama.
The snitch of the
Hey,
century.
Mom, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna be real serious on this.
When quarantine started, I just decided like to do something for everybody
That
and just
be
put
smack.
together my first.
What we need to do, go to the bathroom and we need
Wipe
to
it
wash
off.
all that off.
What about me though? You know what I'm saying?
I kind of like that. I don't want to feel it.
Look, teardrop shouty, you know what I'm saying?
All right, this is what we gonna do. Eliminate
Yo,
this.
what's that guy from that movie?
There's a lot of movies.
I cannot. Oh my gosh, I'm mad now. I can't even think of what movie it's from.
Eliminate this.
But what about
Take
that though?
out this and go wash your face, okay? That's what we gonna do.
Anyway,
What about the
y'all, we pranked them good because
They got
they thought
these.
we was tripping
They got
on
these.
these
I
girls.
ain't lying.
They thought we was on one today.
Anyways, y'all.
Well, they was packing y'all, so it's kind of like y'all even.
And the car said y'all on crack, so y'all got him good.
Alright, y'all, but that's it for this vid. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Ding.
And if you new once again, welcome
To the React
Squad.
Squad.
And if you got a vid that you want us to react to, post it down in the comments. Until next vid, y'all.
We out.
Peace.